So now we're going to talk about tornado safety. Where do you need to go if there's a tornado warning issued for your area? Well, if you're in a house, you want to go down to the lowest level floor. Usually for some of us, that's a basement. For others, that's going to be ground level, and you want to find the most interior place you can. Maybe a closet, underneath the stairs, a bathroom, basically anyone that doesn't have windows, because the last thing you want is for that glass to break and fly around, because that's not going to feel good if it happens to hit you. And cover yourself. If you have any pillows in the closet or any towels in the bathroom, or maybe you've got that baseball or softball helmet in the closet there with you. Anything that you can use to kind of protect your body from the elements is going to come in handy. Now, what if you're in an apartment complex? Well, same rules apply, but it might not be a closet. You might have to go all the way down to the lowest floor and just find that stairwell to hunker down and wait for the storm to pass.